you trying to, I'm not going to be in competition with anybody. Because too much here doesn't contain another position. Though all of us wants to achieve the same results, but the division of labor is that there must be a structured body and an individual that will be speaking with the government on behalf of the Nigerian public seeking justice for Mohbad. And if truly we want to seek justice for Mohbad, need to say any member of the family, because our problem started, the injustice for Mohbad, where we reacted started from how he was buried, who ordered his burial, and who is covering up for those that killed the boy with the already burial and all of that. So when they package some unnecessary sentiment and emotions to divert us, to make us look the wrong way, they enjoy it the long time. They need something to delay so that Mohbad will continue to push Amara, mortuary to why. But whatever the case may be, like I said, I thought it woke me in my own opinion, but unfortunately, with the power of the public and the power of justice, and they stood their ground. One the bishop, before 14 days, and and that is why, up until now, the case refused to go. I want to look Junu, Tom Badra, Tom pray that Timon can shabusi, Timon can shake up. Like your material, me, Sassin, or really, me, Muruko, Kolo, Lice, Ramishika, me, Leche, to be Montana, anything, sorry, me, Moya, again, Moya, me, Moya, Manu, you know, every money, Ramisation, me, so let me make him pray. Somebody pastor, my pray, Barry, my pray, King of Komashimi, is show what they push about Kobami. Timbati, if you want me shake Kafuyo, Timmy, me, Tio Shitemi, Timmy Oshoboki, Timmy Osoko, Ramelo, all over the world, you come on the Jimmy. To now, Woku Abayon, when you least expect, when the Shimari Pop, or to manage fame, almost suffering quite because all of it, if you don't love me, to Bati, getting Kobashi, normally nobody will expect, but the watch face in any case of Bagisha. You really call it a sorrow, in the case of Mubadi. You really call it a color Padalo. So when you look at these people that are very shameless, you look at them, they really not take government in just case of Bagisha to face. They should have just said, your family, you work here, go your kilo to support justice in you. Almost we are doing the right thing. But how? They don't want the millions of the young people to be liberated. We will lose all of them as slaves because we keep holding them with mental slavery. Nonsense, it's a presentation here. In fact, all the people who suddenly love I want to present it. In fact, at this stage, you continue to read true light of the case. Finance the presentation anyway, Yadano. Oh, yeah, straight. And then you ask yourself, ṣé torí pé Lagos state government àti àwọn ilé ẹjọ́ yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ pé ọmọ gẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó accuse Damola Adekola? Because how did they arrest him? I practically brought out the stuff pé kẹ́wò mo ń fi style by time ni o ẹ jẹ́ n gbélé jáde fún yín kẹ́wò gbà tí wọ́n mú bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà yẹn. Okay, mo ti fi hàn yín gbà yẹn kan lè tú wo ní o lórí mi ò lè dákẹ́ fún wọn láíláí torí mi ò parọ́ ní ìdẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nǹkan tí ò dá so ẹ bá ṣe kà gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà accept the evil of wickedness ẹni tí ò délé ẹ rí tí ò mọ ibi tó wà pé wá ń bọ̀. Olele, Shetiri, Damola Adekola area. If he was not accused, if nobody accused him of sexually abusing Princess Child during investigation. Police will not go and arrest him. The question is this. Did you all ask the police what was said or what evidence was available before they go and arrest him? So why was he walking free? She very 14-year-old Lomo. It means that whatever this guy did, he did it when the girl was 14, 13, 12, 11 downward. So either way, it's sexual abuse against a minor. So when he was accused, why was he not in court? Why is he walking free? Did any of these people ask? Justice is not a lay. So when you know what people can do, I said here, like if you want to destroy any man, set him up with a woman. The girl that was used has all the features of an adult. And nowhere, no investigation here, I've been noted in the video, see, a girl that is actively having sex. If I don't know the age, and you want to more age, you know, if you set him up to bait him, it becomes a serious melee. Do you understand? You want to bait me? Call somebody. I've actually skit on sexual abuse. Oh my you. I didn't put my kiss here, my go. What did you? I mean, composure my guy. My call now. My good TV. Don't worry about it. Let it, the time changes, no big deal. We'll try our best. You understand? The most important thing is that if I have you, I'm satisfied, all of you here. I know you guys will do something. Let's just, it's game. It's not just about pressing the gifts. Sometimes it might be the fastest finger. God has blessed all of you. So whatever you support with is still, it's going to make a whole lot of sense. But it's us doing, even when that when they say start, immediately that first gift times 3 comes up. Don't start with rows. Don't send rows. Don't send small gifts. Let's target our big gift at that time, but let it be the first gift you're sending. See, times 3 so that we would have a good margin first, then we'll see what they are bringing. So if we want to recover, we'll use the times 2 to recover. Then it will be a neck-to-neck battle. Even if he wins, he will know we'll give up a good fight. If we win him, we also commend us, but I don't kill him either. But for them to think that because we are fighting for justice for Mohbad, I'm sacrificing my everything, they feel more. People don't love me. People don't want to support me. You know, if he continues to win, that's the impression to my lojo and until on the other side. And Papa will keep enjoying it. That was my own. At least I'm able to win you. You don't have, better people. You don't have people that like you. But me and you guys like me. You guys have been pushing me to this stage to ensure that I don't get tired in this struggle. Because without you guys, trust me, I would have been tired. Including every other person that I've supported before. It's not that I'm just frowning to anybody. I'm not saying nobody should decide. Anybody can disagree with me. I can't be perfect. But anything you want to do, it must not be you blocking the justice that pursuing. Because I will give account to the public. And if I fail by losing my integrity or allowing people to block what I'm doing, I'm supporting them to deny the public the justice they are doing. The public that justice deserve and require in this matter is to save our own lives. It's to save the lives of these people. These people that are donating money, they are fighting for the life of their children. Not just themselves. Put it on back. Oh. I guess. So, people are just saying, I want to support and donate something because they are fighting for mobile. I want to be popular. Majority of the people donating are not even, they don't want their names out, they don't want their face out, but they know that every help they give, there are some decisions we make. Indirectly, you are saving your own life because it's going to heal the world. So people are doing this because they want a sane, secure society. They don't want the way they killed Mohbad inside his house to start going around. Because some people would think, don't be like that. Do you know what it means to be living in fear every day? That Nigeria is too terrible. They can kill you inside the house and nothing will happen. People that are living in UK, Canada, America, who enjoy freedom of speech, they enjoy their freedom, they will come to their motherland. You will see the way they are getting scared. They can't even say a word. They won't be able to even contribute. If they are saying what they to an extent that people will say, if you try that, you will not come to Nigeria, we will make sure we will take you when they've not committed a crime. There are some freedom of expression that people express themselves on the matter. It's because it is overriding public interest matter. There is no way they should be getting punished for that. If it is a public interest matter, they will ask you, to what end? What do you want to achieve? People doing this is because they want the society to get better. So, like I said, it might be sending requests to something very shortly. So let's play the game and let it be fun-filled. I'm counting on you guys. And saying, guys, shall I go away? I'm prepared for time city. Time city. Boosting glove. And this is one thing about people that know how to fight their battles. Because experience is so they cannot get it until we do it and we get justice for Mohbad. So it's very simple, drive and direct. So when I was even thinking like, we don't know what is going to come up with, but let's work on the speed, let's do it. Everybody at TikTok, at the over what's the time you have to go change the time. No time city, no Sikira, no Sikiro. Boosting glove, me prepare one to the boosting glove. So nobody has boosting glove, they didn't put it down. So that's where experience will always come up. And even our salary times 2, times 3, boosting glove is times 5, you can imagine. One baby lion or one this thing of boosting glove will take us to up almost 100 alone. And somebody dropped a baby lion. So if we have a boosting glove, we will be in 100 and something. But it's one of those things, so I'll look better on it. So that is that was. So I'm going to be continuing what we're discussing on the justice for Mohbad stuff. So so we see who is zombie. And it's crystal clear that at any point in time, the authority are closing down on Atimomini and Kadura. this Baba will always come through. He will always want to corner it down. And maybe because these people always say, and then it will come through, they do whatever they want to do, and stuff like that. I don't know what is going on. Maybe those people involved, whatever it is. And that is why we are now getting to the very edge, to the end of the justice that we seek. So for those that doesn't understand, it's Hotel Irawani, 29th, we are expecting the judgment. 30, King White's case, he will open his own defense. And then on the 5th of October, Larry Badia. I don't know when they're going to be giving us a date for myself and the Yabo's case, Yabojo. But he's been likely to change because with everything they filed, we filed back, our lawyers were there. All the evidence, have been replied back, where she said, Umar, Babagisha Gebi, when the court have not even found him guilty, Babagisha the rapist, Babagisha never raped anybody. And then there was the second person, I published it in me, that was accused by that girl. And the reason why she went to court against me was that I was asking her and Princess and others to beckon on the Lagos state government to prosecute Damola Adekola. She said, asking and doing a video that she should ask that they should prosecute Damola Adekola is defamation and it affects her fame, her name, that there is no second person that was accused, that the girl did not accuse any other person than Babagisha alone, and that they've charged Babagisha to court and this, and why would I be saying she should do that and all of that? She didn't even know. So we've been able to prove to her, we've got the CTC to show that no, but it's already, this is a statement of the guy, this is a statement of the girl, this is the photo of the guy, and every other things and the evidence, reports of the hospital. Then we found back and said, now, what are you talking about? All those ones was an attempt to silence me then. When I took the case, I said I was going to take the case to the president. So they wanted to use that court case to silence me or to scare me. If I appear, and then they will say, you guys go and settle. And then they will settle our fight and everything. I said I'm not going to be buying the whole nonsense. So that's what I suspect. I will say, I've not done anything wrong. I just want you to do the right thing. Don't be selective in your justice. And you're kissing 4-year-old, 14-year-old. And you're not fighting for any toba to Tiokobo in the 14-year-old. You are looking at the Lagos state government and the police are saying the person should walk free. What kind of justice are you now fighting for the girl? How does that look like you're fighting for that girl? And then you're not even facing Princess. Why? Oh, no, 7-year-old. One fear upon your idea. One fear upon your idea. Oh, Sofolopa. Oh, Belos Hospital. Oh, hospital by the treated. Nothing to prove that that thing actually happened. And then it turned out to be that the same Damola that was arrested, it's of Lati 2020, October, that Damola Adekola and the security, the gateman of the house, Okele, sexually abused him. You Princess never took any action. You don't report to police. Even the Lagos state government did not reprimand you for not taking anything. And then over in 2021, while you share, you are the one that even gave him the address on that same day. You set him up. And it was that same day when you set the camera. And then we also saw the video where you speaking to Babagisha and the girl, telling them something on the audio here. To an extent that when the case was coming up in court, the court asked the police, the CCTV, what date did you go and lift the CCTV? And how many minutes is the full CCTV? And where is it? Police said we couldn't lift it because there was no network. That means police did not have one presenting video there. Who got it? How did the Ministry of Justice got it? Was it verified? No. And they still use it against him. And then the age of the girl in question, Princess said she's 14. No single birth certificate was brought out. No single evidence to prove the age. They just accepted. And then they were saying, why did he touch him? Who brought them together? Who placed the girl beside him? And did Princess at any point in time, or does Babagisha have any means to know the age of the girl? Not a child. She's not a 7-year-old. She's not a 3-year-old. You placed a different specimen, a specimen that is actively having sex, that is mature, puberty, sex, right to left. And then the girl did not go and sit anywhere. She was practically sitting beside the man. So what were you trying to achieve? And people are trying to say, who is the civil? So I will say all of these things are